What if we told you that the next world-changing startup doesn't make electric cars, NFTs, or AI anything? What if we told you they make fat? This stuff, but also this stuff. Drippy, gooey, sizzly, savory fat. As any chef will tell you, every food, no matter how innovative, only tastes as good as the fat you make it with. And this fat delivers. This fat doesn't come from an animal, it doesn't come from a farm, it doesn't even come from a plant. It's made from carbon dioxide and water, just like the fats found in nature. We just skip the animal suffering and the environmental destruction caused by farmed fats. We make zero carbon fats. That means you don't have to sacrifice your meat tooth, your inner cheese freak, or your conscience. That means having your ice cream and eating it too. Isn't it nice when the good thing, the right thing, is also the delicious thing? Welcome to the start of something truly new. Sustainable food is now craveable food. Savor, feel-good fats.